Okay, so today we're doing a tutorial on how to do a waterfall braid, and you're going to get a small section of your hair, almost like you're doing a little French braid that's going to come across your hair, and you brush it out and make sure it's kind of straight almost, and then you're going to start to French braid, and you will braid about 2 times, and then connect one piece to that, here, Lee, turn your head for a minute, to that one piece of other hair that's in the braid, and you're going to cross it over that middle piece, and it'll look like that, and you're going to drop the bottom piece to almost look like a waterfall, and you're going to pick another bottom piece up from the regular hair and cross it over the middle strand. Then you are going to pick up another piece of hair, connect it with that little piece of hair that you just had, cross it over the middle strand, drop the lower strand, pick a new bottom strand up, thank you, Lee, cross that over the middle strand, drop that bottom strand. So now I have 3 wave-like things. Now I'm going to have to pick up another bottom strand, cross it over that middle strand, pick up a top strand, put it with the strand of hair you just have, cross it over the middle one, and then now that I have 3 little pieces of braid, I'm just going to braid the rest into a smaller braid. And once you're done with your little small braid, you cross it off of the ponytail holder and do it as many times as you need, depending on whether your hair is thick or thin. And you will now have an effect like this. And that is the end of our tutorial.